Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach what graphic is all about. But before we continue, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your friends. Share this video to your friends and family, those you know they really need this video, those you know that it will be helpful to them. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn 4 things, which is what is graphic design and who is a graphic designer, why do you have to learn this digital skill, what are the importance of this skill. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is what is graphic design. Graphic design is the proper usage of visual and textual content to effectively communicate certain idea or message and solve problems. So it is all about using visual elements and typography for communication and problem solving. In a simple term, you can just say that graphic design is the art of using visual content. Visual contents, for examples, are text, shape, images to communicate. So graphic designing is just all about communication using visual content to communicate. Then you have to note that the main reason of graphic design is just for communication. That's just the meaning of graphics. You have to communicate. So that is all about graphic designing. So it's just to effectively communicate a particular message or idea to a specific audience. You have to communicate to people. That's just all about graphics, using things like shape, text, image to communicate. So that's just graphics. Then a good graphic design is not only stunning or attractive, but it also communicates effectively. Your design should be able to effectively communicate to your audience regardless of the software or tool you are using. So no matter the tool you are using, make sure that it is communicating. It doesn't matter if it looks attractive. It's not only the attractive, but you don't have to be only attractive, but it have to communicate. It have to communicate a meaningful something, a message. You have to pass a message to your audience. So your worth as a graphic designer isn't measured by the software you are using, but by your ability to creatively make professional design regardless of the tool. No matter the tool you use, regardless of it, all you have to do is just make a professional design. So that this person use Canva, this person use Pixellab, this person use Photoshop, all that, it doesn't matter. All you have to know is just create a professional design. That's what made you a designer. So this is for those, especially for those of you who have been wrongly indoctrinated that you will not do well as a graphic designer with your smartphone. If your smartphone is smart, then you should be smarter. So no matter what, you can do graphic design very, very well with your smartphone. And I'm going to teach you people everything you have to know about using your smartphone to get a good design that looks very attractive. Okay, so let's treat the number 2 subtopic, which is who is a graphic designer. Who is a graphic designer? Okay, in just a simple term, you can just say that a graphic designer is anyone who use visual content to convey a message to a specific audience. So somebody that use a visual content, and I say that some examples of visual content are text, image, and shapes to convey a message, that is to communicate, because we say that graphic design is about communication. So it's just the person that is using it is now the person we call what? A graphic designer. Once you know how to use your visual content, your visual elements to convey a message or communicate to a particular audience, then you automatically become a graphic designer. And I look forward for you watching this video to become one. It's really important. So you are a graphic designer means that you can use elements, contextual elements, visual elements to get a nice design. That's it. That is to communicate. So that is about a quiz. That is about you being a graphic designer. Then the third subtopic is, why do we have to learn this digital skill? Some people don't even know that this is one of the digital skills that are in demand all over the world. As I said, this is a digital skill that people need every day. Do you know that some companies need not less than 2 flyers every week? Like every week like this, they will need more than 2 flyers. They will need flyer for hello it is Monday. They will need flyer hello it is Friday, TGIF, something like that. And if they have any program, they can all be in a week. You can get more than 3 contracts in a week as a graphic designer. That's why you have to learn this. It's very, very, very important. Some company need not less than 2 flyers every week. It's not a lie. Some company need more than that. Some company even need flyer every day. So just think of it. If you become their graphic designer, meaning you are the only one they pay for their design, that means you have achieved a great thing. This digital skill is a skill that somebody like you needs. You really need it. You that is watching me now, that is watching this video, you really need it. It's very, very important. It's very, very important, especially youth. You really need this. That means you have achieved a great thing. If you think that you need this, then you have achieved a great thing. So this digital skill is a skill that somebody like you, and that is why I have created this channel to teach everything about this graphic design. All you have to do is just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. The last thing we are going to treat is the importance of this skill. Some people think that the only reason why one should learn this skill is to get money, even though making money is one of the major reasons, but that's not all. You being a graphic designer will make you an outstanding person in the world. It will give you an opportunity to meet noble people. You will get exposed. That's the most important thing. You will get exposed very, very, very well. You will also learn how to communicate, how you can convey a complex idea through clear, engaging visuals. Many industries will look for you. That is another thing. Many industries will look for you, such as advertising industry, marketing industry, publishing and medias. All these will be looking for you. In fact, every company will be in need of you, because there is no company that doesn't have a logo. So this logo is also designed by a graphic designer. So learning graphics design is of great importance to your life. Yeah, it's very, very important in your life. You need it in your life. This and more are what we have to know about graphic design. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in the next video.